Remember what I always say, you don't have to be a professional to have good quality PPE when you're out in your forest. Well, hello my friends. Today's the big day. Amy and her team from Fanner Canada have teamed up with Carol and I to give away 2 Protis Integral Arborist helmets for Christmas this year, just like mine. If you'd like to be eligible to win, here's how it's going to work. You need to be a resident of Canada or the Continental USA. You have to be subscribed to GP Outdoors. So if you haven't clicked that subscribe button, it's just down below this video. I'd like you to leave somewhere in your comment today on this video, write the word Protis. I'll put it on the screen here. In 48 hours, I'm going to do a random comment selector and I'm going to pick 2 winners. I will respond to your comment asking you to email me at this email address you see below. Once you've emailed me, I'll ask you to go to the fannercanada.ca website, which is down here below. Once you've got to the fannercanada.ca website, you'll see the Integral Arborist helmets there. I believe there are 21 different color combinations. We'd like you to pick the color combination you'd like best. Email me back all of your shipping information as well as your phone number, what model or color combination you chose from the website. I'll get that information off to Allie and she will get them shipped out to you before Christmas. I'd like to extend a big sincere thank you to Allie and her team at Fanner Canada for helping out and partnering so that we could give these 2 helmets away. This is by far the best quality helmet I've ever worn, and I'd like at least 2 of you to have one. So remember, leave a comment under this video. Somewhere in your comment, write the word Protis. I'll pick 2 winners in 48 hours from the release of this video. A special note again, there are a lot of scammers on YouTube and on social media. If you find that somebody has replied to your comment under this video with some kind of a WhatsApp address or a phone number telling you you've won a prize, to get in touch with them, text them, any other type of communication other than me asking you to email me at this email address, it's a scam. Please remember, Carol and I will never ask you folks for money. And I know that once you contact these people, they're going to try to tell you to send them money for shipping or some other type of excuse for you to send them money. We will not ask you for money. So you know it's not me. A special thank you to all of my subscribers, especially this year. Your support meant the world to Carol and I wish every one of you good luck in the contest draw. Cheers.